Today we are making authentic Uzbek Samsa, one of Central Asia's most famous baked pastries. It all starts with soft handmade dough, rolled thin and filled with juicy lamb, sweet onions, cumin, black pepper, and traditional spices. Each samsa is carefully folded into its classic triangular shape, brushed with egg wash, and sprinkled with black sesame seeds. Then it's baked until the crust becomes beautifully golden, flaky, and crispy. Break one open, and you'll see the hot, juicy filling with delicious steam rising from inside. Crispy on the outside, tender and flavorful on the inside. This is true Uzbek comfort food. Would you try this amazing samsa? Subscribe to delicious recipes for more authentic dishes from around the world.